Good morning students. Welcome to the new lecture of physics. I am Mayur Sharma and in this lecture we are going to briefly discuss about different types of electromagnetic waves, especially radio waves, microwaves and visible rays. We are going to discuss basic things about these waves which are very important from MCQ point of view, as well as each type of this wave can be asked for 2 marks in board examination. So let's start. Radio waves. What are radio waves or how radio waves are produced? When an accelerated charged particle is traveling through a wire, it will produce radio waves. So we can say that radio waves are produced by accelerated motion of charges in a conducting wire. When charges flow through a wire or they perform accelerated motion, they produces radio waves. Uses of radio waves. Radio waves are used in radio or television communication system. Basically, the information or the signal received by the receiving antenna of radio or television is in the form of radio waves. Range of radio waves. Radio waves are generally in the frequency range from 500 kHz to 1000 MHz. This is the range of radio waves. Obviously, this frequency range is further classified into small such groups. That is, the first one is the AM waves, that is amplitude modulated waves. The range of this amplitude modulated wave is 530 kHz to 1710 kHz. Now this type of waves are produced by superimposing the carrier wave with the modulating wave in such a way that the amplitude of the wave changes. Now while modulation, if amplitude changes, then such type of waves are known as amplitude modulated waves. The next one is short waves, SW waves, and they have frequency range up to 54 megahertz. So their frequency rises up to 54 megahertz. The next one is TV waves, range from 54 megahertz to 890 megahertz. You have to remember all these values because this can be asked in board examination in the form of MCQ. Next is the frequency modulated wave, that is the FM waves. The radio band of this wave extends from 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. Obviously the FM which we enjoy in our radio is this only. In this type of waves, the frequency of the wave changes. So it is known as frequency modulated wave. Remember, in amplitude modulated wave, the amplitude of the wave changes. Now the next is, this kind of waves are used in mobile phone to transmit voice communication in ultra high frequency. That is, our mobile phone uses radio waves to transmit voice communication in UHF range, that is ultra high frequency range. Next is microwaves. We all are aware about microwaves because of microwave oven. So how microwaves are produced? Basically, microwaves are produced by special vacuum tubes called klystron, magnetrons and gun diode. Now what are the uses of microwaves? Due to their short wavelength, they are suitable for radar system used in aircraft navigation. So in radar system we use is microwaves. Also, radar provides the base for the speed guns used to time fast ball, tennis service and automobile. This simply means that radar is also useful for measuring the speed of automobiles or the speed of tennis service, or you can say that in cricket match the speed of ball, or you can say that the bowling speed can be measured with the help of these microwaves. The another well-known application of microwave is microwave oven. Domestic microwave ovens operates at 0.915 GHz to 2.45 GHz to cook food or warm it up. Now, in such microwave ovens, the frequency of microwave is selected in such a way that it matches the resonant frequency of the water molecule present inside the food, so that these water molecules will gain energy and as a result of it, heat is produced. Now, what is the range of microwaves? Microwaves are short wavelength radio waves with frequency in the gigahertz range. So their frequency lies in the range of gigahertz. Next is visible rays. What are visible rays? Visible rays are a part of the spectrum that is detected by human eyes. From the whole electromagnetic spectrum, this is the only range in which we can see, or the range which human eye can detect. Visible light emitted or reflected from object around us provides us information about the world. The light which is reflected or emitted from different types of object around Earth. Because of that, we can see the shape, size, etc. of the object, or you can say that we can get information about the world due to this light only. Range of visible light. The range of visible light is from about 4 into 10 to the power 14 Hz to say about 7 into 10 to the power 14 Hz, or the wavelength ranges from 700 nanometer to about 400 nanometer. Our eyes are sensitive to this range of wavelength only. We are blind so far for other waves. We can see only the spectrum of electromagnetic wave which fall in this range known as visible rays. Also, different animals are sensitive to different range of wavelengths. For example, snake can detect infrared waves, and the visible range of many insects extend well into the ultraviolet rays. These were the few basic concepts of electromagnetic waves. Although the concepts were very simple, they are the most important concept from board exam point of view, both for theory as well as for MCQ. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like the video. Thank you.